Hello everyone. Today we are going to see on how to export the data from Oracle SQL developer to Excel file. Okay. See here, this is my location. I need to locate my Excel files. C drive. Inside the C drive, source flat file. Okay. Here only we are going to locate the file. Okay. Now go to Oracle SQL developer and run the statement. Select star from that employees. Once you have run the statement, you can see in that query result in down. Right click on that query result and you can see that export option. Just click on that and see here the format option it is present. Okay, here we have the drop down list. Inside the drop down list, select that Excel file. Okay, here we have the two options it is presented. I am clicking on that Excel 2003 plus. Okay, the extension is XLXX based on your system. Okay, you check the extension. Okay, and go to the browse option there. I already said that I need to locate my file in the C drive. Inside the C drive, source flat file. Okay, and give your file name. Here my file name it is emp.xlxx. Okay, just keep remember that always give with the extension if you are exporting the Excel file. Okay, now save and click on next and finish it. It will take that one fraction of time to export the data only. Now go to the file explorer. Now see here, before that there is no file, Excel file it is present, but as of now after exporting the data, here the file it is present. Okay, emp file it is present. Double click on that. Now see here we got the result. Okay, so this way we can do that exporting options. And why I said exporting the data from that Oracle SQL developer to Excel means, in the upcoming sessions on our IICS tutorial series, we are going to work on Excel files. Okay, so this session will be helpful for you to export the data from that Oracle to Excel. Then you can work that Excel file in IICS. Okay, thank you for watching. If this session is helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it, share it, like it. And if you have any questions on IICS or SQL, please post a comment. We'll discuss on an upcoming session. Thank you.